Hi everyone, warm welcome you all. In today's video, we are going to discuss The Wasteland. This is an important poem of 20th century written by T.S. Eliot, who was American born but British poet. He was America born British poet and he had composed this poem, The Wasteland. And T.S. Eliot was critic, poet, dramatist, and was editor. This poem, The Wasteland, is related to the modernity. What the thing going on in the modern London, modern city London, that is discussed here by T.S. Eliot. And this poem is most important poem of the 20th century and central work of modernist poetry published in the year 1922. Yes, friend, this book is published in the year 1922, and in this same year, another book was published by James Joyce, which was novel called Ulysses. Yes, these two books is based on the modern concept, the modern living of the modern people, what the things going on in modern city, the barrenness, the bleakness of modern city, that is discussed by these two prominent writers or poet of English literature. And the first one was The Wasteland, composed by T.S. Eliot, and another was Ulysses, which was written by James Joyce in 1922. And Ulysses was the novel related to the themes of the stream of consciousness. Coming back to The Wasteland, this poem is in 433 lines, 434 lines. This book first appeared in United Kingdom in October issues of Eliot's The Criterion. Yes, friends, The Criterion was magazine of United Kingdom, England, and this book, The Wasteland, first published in uh, in the magazine Criterion in October, and in United States of America, it was published in the it was issued in the magazine that was Dial in November month. Yes, first it came in magazine as a form of poetry, but in the book form, it published in December 1922. ये जो बुक थी, ये जो पोएम थी वेस्टलैंड, ये 1922 में पब्लिश हुई है। 434 लाइन्स इसमें ओवरऑल इंक्लूडेड है, बाई लिखा गया है ये पोएम। एंड फर्स्ट इट वाज पब्लिश्ड in the Criterion magazine in October. Second, in United States of America, it was published in November and issued in November in the magazine Dial. But in book form, this poem was published December 1922. The poem is in five parts. Yes, friend, this is very important thing that this poem is divided into five parts and was dedicated to his friend, to the friend of T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound को ये dedicate की गई है ये poem, and also the credit goes to Ezra Pound, who edited this poem very brilliantly. What parts, what lines should be in the current form of the Wasteland, that credit goes to Ezra Pound, because originally it was written in 800 lines और above 800 lines. जब ये बुक पहले लिखी गई थी वेस्टलैंड, जब टी.एस. इलियट ने लिखी थी, then originally it was above 800 lines, but the credit goes to Ezra Pound, who make it or who nearly cut it the half of its ओरिजिनल साइज, जो इसके ओरिजिनल साइज था उसका हाफ कर दिया इस बुक को एडिट करके। एंड वेरी ब्रिलियंटली ही हैड एडिटेड दिस बुक, बिकॉज एडिटिंग इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन अ बुक, कि कौन सा पार्ट बुक में होना चाहिए, जो पब्लिश होने जा रही है बुक में, वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। और ये बुक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एडिटिंग एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्न in a modern city or modern thinkingness, that credit goes to both T.S. Eliot and also Ezra Pound. That's why this book was इसी वजह से ये book dedicate की है T.S. Eliot ने Ezra Pound को, कि yes, how brilliantly you are my fellow poet, you are my fellow colleague, and how brilliantly you have edited this book. And this book has famous phrases. You can say most of the literature, you can say that all the literature things of the different countries, T.S. Eliot has included in this book. The first phrase we have, the April is the cruelest month. The opening line of the T.S. Wasteland is, the April is the cruelest month. And another phrase we have, I will sow you fear in a handful of dust. The mantra in the Sanskrit language. Santi, Santi, Santi. And this is the last line of the poem, The Wasteland. Santi, Santi, sign, Santi. And it starts with April is the cruelest month. And friends, T.S. Eliot has adopted, as you can, he had imitated, he had given the references of many literature, or you can many writers, poets of the different literature fields, different countries' literature in this book, The Wasteland. Now, let's discuss the important five parts of this poem. The five parts of the poem, The Wasteland, we have the first, we have the burial of the dead. Second, we have a game of chess. Third, we have the fire sermon. Fourth, we have death by water. And the fifth, we have the last part of this poem, The Wasteland, what the thunder said. And friends, please note down this the parts of the wasteland in serial number, and please remember this because questions भी कभी कभी एग्जाम में आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन. What is the sequence of the wasteland poem? What is the sequence of the wasteland poem? The parts, five parts. What is the five part sequence in the wasteland? Arrange them. So you have to remember that the first part is the burial of the dead, second is game of chess, third is the fire sermon, fourth is death by water, and the last and the fifth one is the what the thunder said. So overall it has five parts. And friends, so what we can say that the wasteland is in which T.S. Eliot has presented with the oblique picture, a barrenness picture of the landscape of contemporary world and its history. What he had seen the contemporary world after the First World War, he had discussed that barrenness, that bleakness, that emptiness in this book, The Wasteland. Friends, this was all we had in today's video, and later on we will discuss all that parts, five parts, in different videos, in separate videos, so that you can easily understand the what the each parts is related to. We will all discuss that. Keep connecting with England Zone. Thank you very much for watching this.